Here's how you can enable the black and white colors only for your Galaxy Watch 8 or the Watch 8 Ultra. Now, if you're looking to turn this on or simply turn it off, here's how to do it. To find these settings, go ahead and use the quick access like this here and tap on the settings right there, this option here. Okay, so make sure you tap on it so that you can enter into this area here. Now, while you're in this area, go down past all these here, and we're gonna make a stop into where it says accessibility right there, this option here. And once you're in this area here for the accessibility, go down and you want to go into vision enhancements, this one right here. And as you're here now, you're gonna go to where it says color correction, and you'll see it says grayscale, and that's because the grayscale is currently enabled. Now, before you turn this off, I just want to show you that if you're new to this, you have different options. So you got this here, you got this one here, and it's going to show you a color layout as to what you're actually using or doing. Okay, so, but if you don't want this feature, just go ahead and turn this off. And let's just say it's on right now. You see gray colors. And when I turn this off here, you'll get back your regular colors. Once it's turned off, it'll show you that its color correction is off. That's the feature you want to turn off. And then of course, once you're here now, you should have your normal colors back in check, like instead.